Want to email hundreds of thousands of customers with personalized messages to boost your revenue and company growth? Check this tutorial where I walk through every single part of the process, from creating your templates, setting up your domain, and sending the emails to your customers. Let's get started. So go to ZooTools.co and click on Try for Free. Create a new campaign, and if you already have one, just click there. There are three ways where we can actually import contacts into ZooTools. One is with a CSV file, if you already are using like another service or you have Google Sheets. Add contacts via API, so this is meant for your developers. Whenever somebody signs up into your company, you can sync this to ZooTools. And the third one is with the sign up form. I'm gonna show you the three ways before we actually send our first marketing email. For creating a form, just click here, and under this section, you can actually customize this form, asking as many questions as you want, such as first name or email. Let's click on View Form, and I'm just gonna actually sign up. Okay, so now if we go back, you will see that there is a new entry called paul@zootools.co. The second thing is actually importing a CSV file. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Go to Google Sheets and let's create a new form, a new page, where we are gonna write down all our customers. So the first row is gonna be the header. So for example, this is gonna be the email and the name, and you can keep writing as many as you want. I'm going to actually download this CSV file. And once we have this CSV file, just drag and drop into